You know, right?
Welcome back to ALEXANDWADNEYENTERTAINMEnt. All right, you guys. So we
Shots fired.
you guys, we bought
Don't call the cops.
we bought what is this called? What is this called?
It's called a thief.
It's called.
This is a ride-on children's truck that we got for my buddy's son.
Yes. It's called a ride-out truck.
Yeah, you drive it around. It's got like a rechargeable battery and all that fun stuff.
So the boys are gonna unbox it and put it together.
That's what we're doing.
Some assembly may be required.
Don't call the cops.
All right, let's face the box. Okay, you ready? Is it better? Face back. You ready? Is it good? All they need to do is see the box, right?
Yeah.
See, that's why I said we didn't need all these chairs. So I was telling
Yeah, we're gonna have to put the wheels on.
Yeah.
That shouldn't be too bad. Oh, and the steering wheel.
Oh my God, it looks small. I thought it was gonna be a little bigger. Oh my God.
I love it though.
What, George?
Pull on your
What
full
age,
plastic on your end.
No, that looks too small.
Yeah, that's why I said, what age did you see it for? Because that might not be for his age.
No, I don't think so.
He's about to be 4.
You'll fit in there?
Fit in there.
How?
Some assembly
It
required.
looks like it's for people that are 2 years old. Because that one tag said till up to 6.
Oh.
No,
How is turning?
fit in there.
I'm trying to get higher. They can't see down there.
Listen, how is Kaden turning?
4. See, now they can see.
And it says till 6? This is not for 6 people that are 6.
Well, it's definitely not for kids that age.
That'll work.
That would work for him, but his feet is.
No, it's not gonna work, yo.
It'll be better for like a 1, 2-year-old.
2-year-old.
But it'll work. He'll love it. Trust me.
Yeah, he will. He'll find a way.
He'll put his feet up.
If this thing's got like if this thing's got any, it's got forward and reverse.
Oh, we gonna sit here.
Oh, your chair.
Ruthie. Oh, shoot. Sorry. Ruthie says, "What's in the box?" Yeah, we're doing it right now. Remind you guys wait.
Tell them what they put together.
Oh my God, the food looks so good. Oh, you would. Yeah, rewind it. You get to watch it. Wadney, you look beautiful. Thank you, Cuzzle. Babe, Ruthie says hi.
Hi, Ruthie. Yeah, the positive.
Oh, Ruthie said it looks like a toddler. But that's not what it says. It says up to 6 years old, Ruthie.
Yeah, don't worry. They're gonna drive the crap out of that car.
The kid's still gonna enjoy
They're
it.
gonna enjoy it, even if it's big.
I know, but that's the speed.
You gotta
so
look
I
at
thought
the
we
age.
flipped
The age
over.
It said 2 to 6.
The wheels.
2 to 6. Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
that's not 6 years old.
No, that's definitely. It looked like 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. He's about to turn 4, so he'll get a good ride out of that.
At least
So
for
once he
He'll
turns
enjoy
5, I don't know, it's gonna be a struggle. He'll be enjoying.
And they gotta charge you for how many days? I don't know how many days they gotta charge you for.
You know, guys don't like to follow instructions, so they're trying to do it
Oh, you guys didn't
off
read
the
the
back of their
manual?
head with no manual. So we'll see how
It
they
should
do.
be, babe. It should be in one of these boxes. I'm sure that there's papers right there. There's papers over there. But it should be in the box. Elmo's so
I was gonna
serious.
make a joke, but I'm not going to.
No, but why?
Never
Because
mind.
you're alive.
Yeah.
Make a joke.
Girl, man. If they try
Does
it,
that
just
have the
pop.
diamonds?
Why they clean? Why they doing it? Just pop them if they try it.
Oh, okay. So it's got on this one. It has like the shape. Okay, so it's just I see how it works.
Yeah. Thank you,
Yeah.
Ruthie. I said the same thing, girl.
I see.
Someone to know.
What size bowl is this? Actually, let's get my adjustable wrench.
No, that's fine. Ruthie, sorry when you called me, we were playing with the Nerf guns. But this is a perfect angle how you have it. But Elmo's kind of like.
Should we get it closer?
No, I think it's fine. He's just choosing to do it. As long as they can see how you're doing, how they're doing it.
We're already done.
Oh, really?
No, that's why these.
Where's the instructions? Why don't you read the instructions?
Okay. Let me read the instructions.
Looks like for a
Put your mind
You
at
know,
ease.
that's like from 1 to 4. So he'll get you up to 4. He'll get a good ride. I'm gonna leave it at my mom's house. Sarah can ride it too. Oh, they both gonna fight.
I see one.
They fight. They love each other. Oh my gosh, it's a hate love thing.
I am reading the manual.
I should bring him so he can write it. He's like, okay. That's what you should do first.
Page 1.
Page 1. Go ahead.
Page 2. Page 3. Page 3.
The food looks. Yeah, I said, Alex, listen, please do not do anything. We have other stuff to do. Just, I already have flowers already. There's no point, okay, thinking about it. I'm like, no, please don't.
Yeah. Oh, Alex went and got his tool.
Alex wants to go get his whole tool.
The little wrenches.
We're like, okay, that's the tool set.
Alex went and got his wrench.
He got his wrench. He got his whole tool
What
set.
size wrench is that, man?
Oh, they have size wrenches. Babe, did you read the instructions?
They don't need instructions, buddy. They're gonna wing it. And hopefully they don't fall apart.
Yeah, I think that's Make sure the wheel's not gonna come off when the little guy's driving it, you know?
Your cell phone? You want me to call it?
No,
It's right here.
that's not it.
This one.
No, that's.
Oh, that's Elmo's?
It's fine, girl.
Yeah,
Oh, how about this one? Right here.
No, it's fine. Why?
Okay.
yeah. I mean, I don't see it being the most robust piece of equipment.
Read the instructions and see, babe.
Hold that flag.
All right.
Okay. You think it is?
I don't know.
Oh, you think I should put it on top of that thing?
No, it's fine. What is that?
Damn, this
Oh,
plastic's
it's
gonna
recording.
work before we're done.
Instagram?
Oh no, this is this is somebody who's doing
What size is it?
Oh, she's working out.
Oh, so it's a 1/2 inch. Huh. Interesting. Well, since it's made in China, I would have expected it to be metric, you know? 13 millimeter. Yeah, well, 13 millimeter is based essentially the same as a 1/2 inch. You can kind of use those two interchangeably. Nice little trick my dad taught me.
Did you finish watching Big Sky? Are you all caught up?
Oh my gosh! I
didn't
can't
watch the
believe.
last episode.
Okay.
Girl, you can put it up with that. You
Girl!
can watch it while they do that.
You can't watch them when they do that, girl.
Oh, are we gonna get copyrighted if we watch something on TV?
Oh, this is live?
Ruthie.
So basically, I took this video from my live stream and made it into a short clip of unboxing Caden's birthday party. If you didn't watch that video, go ahead and check out the playlist. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And hopefully you guys enjoy this music.
right here. Nice light.
Okay, have the card come towards me.
So how does the parental control work?
Oh, inside the card. Okay.
Does that even work?
Okay, we're off. It's off. Okay.
I put 2 triples in there.
Stop.
Oh, he will fit. It is space in there. It didn't look at it at first. He will fit. I know. I have a bowl upstairs.
Wadney.
In the attic. Go get it, babe. He'll be so. You know what? We should get his. No, we can't post his reaction, but we should get his reaction though. Like you should. You should feel his reaction when you first get it. Huh?
We give you permission to film his reaction.
His reaction when you put a big bowl on it.
Yeah, you can post it.
You can put it all in one.
At first, I thought it was too small, but I think he will fit in there. I think he will fit in there. Beep beep. You like
I
it?
put 2 triple A's in there. I don't know what's going on.
Oh, you put AAA?
Yeah,
Brand new one?
yeah, I put 2 triple A's
Oh,
in
maybe
that
it needs
thing.
to be charged.
No, it's the no, it's the remote. That way you can drive it like if the kid's driving off, Elmo has it and can take control.
Maybe the car needs to be charged.
Car is charged.
But how about this white thing?
That's just for like.
That's for charging the battery in the car.
You sure you don't need to charge the remote or the thing?
If I put 2 fresh AAA batteries in there, then that is clearly non-rechargeable. In addition, there is no port to recharge the control.
Who's the car for? It's for his godson. That's turning 4.
So I put them in the right direction.
Birthday's on the
It didn't tell
27th.
me the right direction. I made an assumption based off of
But maybe you guys should read it.
how batteries typically go in.
No, just in general. It's a cute little car. I like it. It's all cute or whatever. He even has a tag.
Oh,
That's so cute. So I guess I thought it was gonna be too small, but I guess it's good. Oh, look at that! Yeah! That's when we got the other car. He's gonna be like, what? Even though it says happy holidays, but who cares, right? He's gonna be like, car?
I mean, we're not
Yeah.
going to go anyways.
He's probably gonna say truck.
You can put it on the front, but happy holidays off.
True. And then tape it in the front. What is that?
Did you put these on that side? Because I took them off on this side.
Yeah, I did put them on.
You sure it can't fit the other side? Well, anyways, it's that angle. I didn't even notice.
No, they're like all messed up.
I didn't even notice.
I mean, once again, he's going to be 4. I don't think he's going to be,
All right, you guys, that concludes. I have my glasses on. That concludes
even with the deformation.
this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in our next video. I'm going to stop the live and then come back on the live.
Bye.